We just finished making a batch of this Uncle August's canned salad, which is a perfect accompaniment to any meal, especially with meat. There's a whole batch there made. If you're interested to know how to make this amazing side salad, kind of a Latvian relish, I suppose, with a real kind of vinegary punch, then watch the rest of this video. Right, here we are making the salad. The ingredients and method is really simple. Basically, we've got onions, carrots, and peppers, sweet peppers, and the onions are being grated, which you'll see. The onions will be sliced.
Carrots grated,
huh? Oh, carrots. The carrots. Sorry, carrots are grated. Onions have been sliced, and then the peppers will be sliced as well into thin slices. It doesn't really matter exactly how it is. They're all sliced, and that's it really. And then later on, we'll add the sugar. We'll add some sugar and salt and vinegar and oil, and I'll go through that later on. But for now, it's all the slicing work.
For a video, what you can do, darling, is say that 1 year we tried with apple vinegar, but it starts to ferment.
Ah, that was the fermented one.
Yeah. Viņi sāk
gaļas mašīnas un aparāts uz galda un rubī. Manai mammai jau tikai bija istabas bērns, par ielas kā monsteru.
Tavs rokas.
Viņai arī bija Marijāņos.
Arī griez.
Ah, jā, tiem tur ir.
No, then sit down. Not with a kilo though, it would have to be like a proportional.
Saldāk.
So now we're going to add salt, sugar, oil. It doesn't matter what oil it is, but we use olive oil, and then the vinegar. And the exact amounts I'll put on the screen or in the recipe at the end or something. I know for a fact it's 350 grams of sugar.
It's 500. It is think. Ideal. Perfect. Yeah.
There's already that Uncle Albert smell, even without the vinegar. Sorry, Uncle Augusta.
August.
Tā arī 300, jā?
Jā. Nu, mēs likām 300, jā.
So it's 300 of oil and 300 of vinegar.
Yeah, because we done before, as the recipe says 500, like half a litre.
Oh, no, it was too much.
But we found it's too much and it's too vinegary. So we do a tiny bit less.
Notenūtoši ilggriezt. 500 viss, jā?
500. It's 1%.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice bubbles on top.
Viņam savs dūriens naudas, bet acīmēs gāja.
So now we're going to put a lid on it and then for 3 days let it kind of fester and ferment.
You do mix
Not ferment, but just
kind of
all the
soak in,
flavours to soak in, yeah. And then every day just take the lid off and give it a stir around.
and you can eat it if you want because it's delicious.
Yeah. Right, so this is now 3 days old, I think.
I usually started on a Sunday, and
So
today is
Still, it's
Tuesday.
crunchy. There's-
Saturday, we did Saturday.
Shame you don't have smelly vision. The smell is
Amazing.
Uncle August smell. And now we're just going to put it into the jars. The jars have obviously been cleaned, but we won't be sterilising them. We won't be canning them or heating them. The acidity of the vinegar is enough to keep all the nasties away. We probably will.
In an basement, it's quite cool anyway.
Yeah.
So.
And then we'll
Steady
seal
cool.
it with some olive oil. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty simple process actually. No faff canning, salad canning.
And we did with the apple vinegar, and it's fermented a little bit, but it still was amazing.
In previous
nice.
time
Yeah.
we've done it with apple vinegar. This time you saw was normal vinegar. So apple vinegar doesn't really work as well.
It's not a strong. So a little bit liquid on the top. The oil a little bit on the top.
That's it done. To be honest, it was still nice when it fermented. It's just that it all spills over obviously when you open the
Yeah,
lid.
you need to be ready. It spills over, but it's still. I thought we ruined by. But we still eat and all because it was still really nice.
Yeah.
Can't see because the sun.
Jā, vai dieniņā cik daudz. Tiešām
Viņam
daudz.
noteikti kaut kādas savākšanās. Viņi arī varētu drīz, un tur vēl kokā vēl ir.